Hi everyone. Today video 5th grade time and temperature converting into seconds. Daughter is going to explain the problems.
Hi everyone, as well as good morning everyone. And today I am going to explain you converting into seconds. Get good grades. It's almost near to your exam, so let's don't waste our time and start calculating each and everything. 15 minutes. Our first problem is 15 minutes. Before that, the most important thing is if we converting into smaller units, you have
Minutes is greater unit than seconds.
Yes.
Here we are converting into the units which is a smaller one. So for converting into smaller units we have to do multiplication. Very good.
But I wrote multiply. It would be more easy, right?
So continue. We continue it.
Okay. Now.
First we write down formula.
Yes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds box. Box is a main important thing in the whole maths life. So we can know that this one is a formula. Now, before we have to write 15 minutes equals to.
Now we have to do multiplication. Which two we need to multiply?
60 seconds.
No, 6. The numbers we have to mention. No need
Yes.
of units. 60 into 15.
Yes.
Here no need to mention the units.
Yes.
We just take the value numbers.
Okay. 15 into 60.
The result is?
Result is yes, 900. Before that we have to keep the arrow.
What is the unit? The result unit will come? Seconds. So 900 seconds.
Yes.
Therefore the answer is?
Therefore the answer is 15 minutes equals to 900 seconds.
This is the answer.
Yes. Now off to go for next problem. 45 minutes and 10 seconds. The second problem is 45 minutes 10 seconds. Now before that we have to
the difference what is there from the before between the before problem and this problem? In the above problem only one unit they mentioned.
Yes, and
Here the combination of
minutes and seconds.
So we have to do a bit different.
Yes.
First
I'll
we are
show you.
going to convert into smaller units. So here also keep in mind to do multiplication.
Yes.
What?
First we have to keep a line.
We have to separate the units.
Yes. Minutes and seconds. Wait a second, I'm closing my pen back. Wait. Now have to write the numbers in the question following. 45 minutes 10 seconds.
So first we have to do calculations of the minutes
Yes.
as in the above problem.
Yes.
First we write down the formula.
Yes.
So,
1 minute 60 seconds. I told you in the before problem that box is mainly important. Before that, my teacher said that
first write down the 45 minutes.
Yes. 45 minutes equals to before that.
First what we have to do between which two values we have to do multiplication, that we need to focus.
Yes.
So
6.
with which two the numbers we are going to multiply? 45 into
into
45 and 60. So 45 into 60.
yes.
We do multiplication.
Now
The value of 45 into 60 is 2700. The result unit should be the seconds because
Yes.
we are converting into seconds.
Yes, but no need to convert anything or disturb.
Because it's already in seconds.
Yes.
Just we need to add these two values.
Yes.
So
Therefore,
very good.
45 minutes 10 seconds equals to
2710 seconds.
Yes, but before you should need to forget this and write this.
That is the middle of the value, not the final value.
Yes. Subscribe, like, share and comment to my channel, and in next video I'll say about convert into days. Bye.